Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this cordless heat gun from the manufacturer in exchange for a review. So let's unpack it, look at its features, put it to use, and give it a try. Okay, let's unpack it. Comes with a cordless heat gun instruction manual, a few adapters, and the heat gun. Okay, this is everything that was in the package. It comes with a cordless heat gun and then several different adapters, and we'll go over each one of those, and then the instruction manual. You might note it does not come with a battery. However, this particular tool is equipped to use the DeWalt 20-volt lithium-ion battery, which I have. Okay, let's take a closer look at the features of this gun. First, I'll go ahead and install the DeWalt 20-volt lithium-ion battery. Okay, let's take a closer look at the heat gun. On the very end, you have the heating nozzle. And then to activate the heat gun, you have this switch trigger, and it always stays in the lock mode until you press this lock off level. Okay, and it's spring loaded. You can push it from either side. Okay, and you have to push and hold that down at the same time you pull the trigger in order to activate the heat gun. Once you let off the trigger, then it remains back in lock mode. So you can press it with either this thumb or your finger on this side and then pull the trigger. Then you have this lock on button here that will keep the gun on all the time, and it will not require you to constantly press the trigger. By doing that, you press the lock off switch first, pull the trigger to activate the gun, and then press in the lock on button, and then you can let off the trigger, and then it stays on all the time. This allows you to be hands-free if you're needing two hands to hold the piece that you're heating. Okay, to turn it off, you just simply pull the trigger once and release. Okay, it also has a LED light here, once activated, that you can see in darker places. You have two heat settings, a high and a low. It's labeled as an H here. I'm not sure if you can see that. Then this direction is a low. Okay, on the back you have an LCD screen that indicates the fan, what the current temperature is, and you can adjust the temp up or down. Okay, on high, the setting will go up to 550 degrees. On low, the max heat will be 300 degrees. That decreases it. This increases it. Then you can adjust the fan speed, from low to high. Okay, it came with 5 different adapters that can be used with different applications. And to use the various adapters, you just simply slide it over and press on the adapter to the heat nozzle. Here's one for wider surfaces, heat shrinking, etc., scraping paint off of a board. Then if you really need to focus in or narrow in your heat, then you have these different size step down nozzles. And then this nozzle is for reflecting heat back, like if you're heating up resin tubes, electrical contacts, and so forth. Used for shrink wrapping. Once it starts to peel, you'll just heat a little bit of a section at a time and peel a little at a time. Seal up flexible conduit edges. Okay, overall, I give this cordless heat gun a thumbs up. It appears to be a great tool to do the job. The best thing I like about it is that it's cordless, does not require an electrical outlet to plug in, and it does accommodate a DeWalt 20-volt lithium-ion battery or equivalent. The battery is not included. It has a high and low temperature setting. You have a feature that you can lock the heat gun in if you need to use both hands. It comes with an LCD screen that gives you the temperatures and the fan speeds. And it does come with 5 different adapters to accommodate the job that you need to get done. So I highly recommend this cordless heat gun.